Hello, today I'd like to show you how to make this shamrock garland. You can make it as long as you want, and you can also add a lucky clover to your garland. So let's get started. Start by making a slip knot and a chain of 35. Once you've got your chain of 35, you will be working back into the fourth chain from your hook. So you skip in 1, 2, 3 and making a slip stitch into the fourth one, and that creates a little circle. Turn your work, and we will be now making our next set of stitches inside this circle you just created. So you've got to find that little space here, and I will make a single crochet, chain 3, and another single crochet, and we'll do that 3 times. So chain 3, single crochet, chain 3 and single crochet. So you have just made 3 chain 3 loops. Turn your work, and the next set of stitches will be going into these loops you just made. So you will be making single crochet, half a double crochet, double crochet and another double, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, another 2 double crochet stitches, 1 and 2, half a double and single. So you can see it starts creating that shape what we're looking for, and you will have to repeat these into each of the loops. So again, single crochet, half a double, double and another one, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochets, so 1, 2, half a double and a single, and the last one, single, half a double, double, another one, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochets, half a double and a single, and you are back at the start where you have your starting chain. So now make a slip stitch into not those 3 loops you created, but the original circle. Just make a slip stitch here just to close it up a bit, and now you'll be working into a chain and making 5 slip stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and that creates a stem for your clover. Okay, to that you'll start repeating the same pattern. So starting with chain 35, and I will show you how you can make a 4-leaf lucky clover, just in case you wanted to add one to your garland. So again, skipping 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch into the 4th, turn your work, making a single crochet into that little circle, 1, 2, 3 chains, and another single crochet, 1, 2, 3, another one, 1, 2, 3, and now you just simply add another chain 3 and the single crochet, so you can make your lucky clover. And just to remind you, you do single crochet, half a double, 2 doubles, single, 2 doubles, half a double, and a single, and you just repeat that all the way around, making 4 this time instead of just 3. When you get back to your beginning, again slip stitch into the middle and slip stitch 5 times down the chain, and you made a second one, and you can just keep going, repeating this pattern for as long as you like. When you get to the end, to match the beginning, you will just make another chain of 25 and you're done.